Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some hot jelly smoked poppers with some smoked cream cheese before we load them up, and we're going to be cooking them on the S&S kettle. Hell yeah. One of my new favorite cookers. Oh, look at this sexy beast. Look at that guy. Got smoked cream cheese on it now. And then we're going to load up these jalapenos. And we're going to be adding some of this hot pepper jelly. Oh, it's the way to do it. Wrap it in bacon. We're using the sweet and spicy R on the smoked cream cheese. And then we're gonna top the poppers on the bacon. Some smoke bomb, all from Uncle Steve's. Oh, hell yeah. Badass, bro.
Give me a hell yeah!
Grab a brick of cream cheese of your choice, slap it down on some foil, the non-shiny side so it's not as sticky, but hit all ends up with your favorite rub that you want to use. Put it on your smoker, cut lines in there if you would like, that penetrates a little more smoke, and throw it on about 325 for 20 minutes and you're golden. Badass. Pull it out, fill up your jalapenos or whatever pepper of choice that you got, and then put in whatever jelly of choice that you would like. I'm using this hot jelly. It's got jalapeno, it's got apple, sweet and spicy, delicious. It's amazing. And then wrap it in bacon, thin cut bacon or regular cut. Don't get that thick cut stuff. And then hit a little more, whatever rub you like, on top of that bacon. Put it indirect on your cooker of choice. And get that to about 275. You're going for about 20-25 minutes. And these are going to be amazing. Oh, hell yeah. So I'm using this slow and sear kettle with the slow and sear 2.0 inside, the drip and griddle down below the stainless steel one to catch everything for easy cleanup. And using Royal Oak all natural briquettes. Throw in a couple of chunks of like apple or whatever you want, cherry, and your choice. Throw 2-3 in there and get this thing rolling. Now I do believe one of the ports below have a little gap on there, and basically I keep the bottom shut down. We're rolling at 283. So I might have to put gasket material on there. I don't want to bend it, take it off and bend it. So we'll see. But this is the second cook and same thing. So I think it's that one port down below for one of those fan gimmicks that are way overpriced. But if you got one, use one. It's awesome. But it's way overpriced. So this guy right here is just rolling 280-ish. And let's take a peek. Why not? Oh, barely 5 minutes. Nothing. So about another 15-20 minutes. Like I said, they'll be ready. You let them rest for 10. Bite into them. Damn, explosion of awesomeness. Oh, hell yeah. And then we're going to throw on some sausage patties. Why not? Onions, peppers. Throw that all together on a bun. Call it a damn dinner. Oh, hell yeah, folks. We got these smoked cream cheese badass poppers coming out. Oh. Hell yeah. Boom. Here we are with the finished product of this smoked cream cheese popper that was on the slow and sear kettle. Oh, hell yeah. This Smells amazing, and we're using that Uncle Steve shake on the cream cheese and on top of the bacon. She's still a little warm. Taking a chance, folks, because I can't resist any longer.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Damn, do the jelly. Oh. The jelly every time balances this bastard perfect. Do it. Whatever jelly of your choice. Whew. It's like kids out there playing. This is badass. And if you don't do it, you're doing yourself a disservice. So go ahead, do these bad boys. Holidays are coming. Do it up. Badass jalapeno poppers.
I said give me a hell yeah!
I killed a humongous spider.
Nice.
Nasty. I went, eat doggy pads! And it smashed them.
What?
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 Yaman!
Yeah, man.
Yaman.
Alright, so go ahead and take care of... We'll cut your hair tomorrow night?
No, you need it today.
Alright, let's go. Let's roll. Right now, after I eat a sandwich, a sausage, Sammy. Did you bring all that stuff in?
Except for this.
No, you missed some stuff. What? Anyway, badass cook, slow and sear kettle is rocking. Second cook, this was just perfect. First one, yeah, it was good, but we're getting dialed in. Oh, hell yeah. Anyway, folks, comment down below. Oh, and I've got something new. I actually ordered this prior to the slow and sear. And, whew,